Hello friends, welcome to Foundation Concept Classes. Today we are going to learn subject innovation technology. Topic is technological environment. So let's discuss about the technological environment. So here we learn introduction for the technological environment, definition and importance, actors in the technological environment, change in technological environment, current development in the technological environment. Right. Everybody knows about the technology. What is the technology? So here we try to learn history of the technological environment. Okay. So what is the environment, right? Environment basically come around with technology. Like sometime before we are using Nokia, having different operating system. Right now many people are using Android, having the different operating system, different environment, and few people are using Apple also. So Apple also having the different environment and different operating system. Environment basically you can say uh, it's kind of helping helping softwares you can say are helping tools are helping patches for the technology. It may be weapons, it may be mobile, it may be anything, it may be aircraft, it may be fighter planes, anything. Okay, so here we see the history of the technological environment. So let's discuss about the two countries, United States and Japan. 1950s, US manufactured the invented first transistor, which was the put the military uses, ignore any commercial use of transistor, right? In here, 1960s, Japan's pushed numerous application of the transistor to commercial uses, thus the capture most of the consumer electronic market. Here, uh, America uses transistor as for the military purpose, and what Japanese doing, they are using transistor for the commercial purpose. You can say they commercialize the product, right? So here developed the integrated circuits, what we are using now. In 1970s, Japanese government financed $10 million in the research grant to Japanese firm for the developing capability integrated circuit manufacturing. You know ICE, integrated circuit integrated circuit equipments. Okay, so what is the integrated circuit? In our mobile there is a lots of circuits. Okay, we have some people are we people are using nano circuits also. So IC, integrated circuit, collection of chips is called the IC. In 1980s, facilitated by the government Japanese, here you can see the Japanese government especially fund $10 million for the research. अगर कोई कंट्री रिसर्च पे इन्वेस्टमेंट करता है तो उसका ग्रोथ निश्चित है, उसकी टेक्नोलॉजी भी ग्रोथ निश्चित है. लाइक रिसेंटली वी बाय रफाल फ्रॉम द फ्रांस. ओके, सो रफाल एक दिन में नहीं बना होगा. इट्स ऑलरेडी इन्वेंटेड और द रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट which is developed by the France government. So here you see the funding also given by the government to Japan, government Japanese government to company, facilitated by the government. Japanese acquired the technological capability to succeed in the development of the technological generation of the consumer chips. Okay, so here we compare the two countries, in United States and Japan. Okay, so the first thing, what is the environment? Here you see the definition: a firm operates in environment consisting of the various players like competitors, government, other firms, and so on. If you think about the practical, definitely environment carry the competitors, government, and firms. Second thing, the technological environment not only the shape but also shaped by other environment facing an organization, right? So what we learn by this diagram, see, macro environment, okay, affects all industry. So here is the firm, the task environment, and this big circle having industry competitive environment factors affect all the competitors in the same industry. Like if you think, if we talk about the mobile industry, many companies are manufacturing mobile in the same type of function and the same type of configurations. So here this is the competitor for the mobile phone. Okay, so task environment always defend the competitors. Let's talk about the Chinese company Redmi. Redmi produces uh, Redmi produces you can say much more technology in with a less cost. Okay, if you're talking about the Apple produces the excellent product, but cost is very high. So this competitive environment defending by the task environment to form. That's why Redmi grew up. So technology environment, macro environment. Okay, there are the two nation state one, nation state two. Nation state having the social, political oblique regulatories, having you can say transfer of technology and economic exchange of economy. So here, nation one exchange their technology to other country, and here money transfer from one country to another country. Sometime before I give an example about the Rafale, suppose we discuss about the India and second country is the France. We buy the product or technology Rafale, give money, give dollar or you can say money to France also. And this is the economic growth of the France, and we are investing money here and buy the technology. Sometime we exchange the technology also, like few changes make the different product. So this kind of petition are the rights given by to other country to other one, right? So again, this is a definition of the importance. You can go through it. Okay. So technological environment definition is the knowledge creation and the knowledge application. Here, the basic development of the technology environment is the creation of the new knowledge. Okay, second thing, the application of the new knowledge. New knowledge, creation of new knowledge means what's exactly new things required in the market. It's a application of the knowledge, and what we created something different from the current scenario. It's called the knowledge creation, right? So technological environment actors in the technological environment here, public and private, like the public developers, NASA, federal labs, university labs. Okay, you can say it's words kind of sarkari words we are using publicly. Facilitate AICT, DSTA. Okay, facilitators. Okay, private in Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Bell Lab. We are doing research by the privately. Venture capabilities by technological evaluators, facilitators and developers. Okay, so these are the actors, technological environment. Maybe this diagram can be help you. Here, role of a firm. You can see in the center there is a firm. Technological development upwards and downwards facilitate technological development. Okay. Victims of the technological change made by the competitors, beneficiary of the technology change initiated by others. Okay, here you can say technological development affected by the facilitated technology development. These hang the opposite vertical, both are the vice versa. And definitely uh, we are motivated or the guided by the victims or the technological change competitors. Competitors give the challenge, and second party is beneficiary or the technology. Our client also use some feedback. By using this all, we are making the product in a form. So these are the technological environment actors. uh, See this diagram, technological environment actors in the technological environment. Sometime before in marketing, I think you learn value chain. Okay, the same kind of diagram we have over here. The creation of the new knowledge. Okay, the basic thing is the creation of new knowledge, which is developed by the government firm like NASA, scientific research lab like AT&T lab, universities research work. Second step, applied research like the government institution NASA, GE, General Electric, and the R&D labs, universities, entrepreneurs, and R&D authority. Yeah. Application knowledge development. Here, the part is the application, and next is the engineering and commercialization. So before engineering, you can say before commercialization, we are using this product for the military purpose or the defense purpose. Okay, and when we make it commercialized, it means it is publicly open for all. So here you can see the corporation, private firm.